Hello guys, here's a little video for you guys. How to convert a GM car. Don't need to just be the Pontiac. It could be the Chevy, it could be the Buick, the O's, anything or GM from I'll say since the 90s all the way up to now 2008 and newer. If you got a single bulb set up and you want to put fog lights on like this, there you go, has parking light and fog light, and this just has parking light. Well, this is how you're going to have to do it. You're going to have to find a car, which this is a Pontiac Grand Prix. This is an 08, 04, 05 ish all the way up to 08 had these lights. So get yourself a set of light buckets that have the fog lights and get yourself the harness. You gotta make sure that it has the harness. Now, on mine, you had to see there's 3 wires. See how there's a 4th wire? Now on the GM harness, let me see if I can get you guys set here really quick. Because we were just doing testing to make sure this is going to work. See how there's four wires? Yeah, car's set up for it. Another thing you want to do is look in here to number 7, which is fog light, which is sitting right there. Relay for fog 36 is right there. It's right there. So this car already has everything for fog lights. It just don't have the 3rd wire to run the fog lights. So it'd be a double black wire that you need it. So that's that. We'll get to the front later. Now the next thing you're gonna have to do while you're at the same car is get yourself a good used turning single stock that has the fog lights. Now that's for this Pontiac only. Some GMs have it up on the dash. That's your fog light. That's the symbol for fog light. So we got to go in the car and change this out. So we should have all 3 wires. I don't think GMs has changed them that much. So further ado, let's get in the car, and what you need to do, I can't see as much as you guys can't see either. Underneath, there's going to be an 8mm there, and an 8mm over here too. So we got to get those popped out. So I'll be back when I get those out. Alright, now what you need to do is gonna have to remove the radio bezel. Make sure there's no screws, which I don't see nothing. It should just grab a hold of it and pop it right off. I don't have any trim tools to actually take it off. Lay that up out of the way. Well, I see. Well, I wish I had the aftermarket radio put in the car. That's simple. Now, we should be able just to grab a hold of this bottom cal here, or this bottom panel, I hate a garage. I need a bigger garage where I can get over to the driver's side. Oh, fine. It can stay like that. That gives me enough room. Now, I don't think it's going to happen, but I'm going to try to pop this. Yep, that would have. Okay, now what you need to do is pop your upper panel lid. You got to pop this bezel. This steering column bezel or cluster bezel out of here. Now be careful, don't want to go radical on it. For me, I'm just going to disconnect it. Get this out of my way. All right. Alright, now you should have enough room to pop this upper cover off. And may have to go get a screwdriver. Alright, I don't know how well you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, but I don't have a trim removal tool, unfortunately. That's on my to-buy list, but you want to get in here and just crack. There's no screws on this year of a car. All right, that's good, good. Got it moving. So I'm hoping I can do this. Yeah, I got enough room. Sweet. You gotta try. What I'm trying to do, guys, is you guys gotta loosen up the upper shell. What there is, there's release pins or clips, or what do you want to call it. You have to get that upper shell loose. But I may end up, yeah, I'm going to remove the cluster out of this car. Give me a minute. Alright guys, after you guys remove 4 of these screws, they're a nut, a bolt / screw with your 7mm extension. It has a 7mm. Your cluster should be free. As free as it can be. Now, Alright, now the cluster is free. Just put that out of your way. Now, we should there. By golly, we got the sucker loose. Alright. There's your prize. No broken clips. That means this plastic ain't fragile. Now, you're going to need to get on top of this column, there's a star bit. I have to see if I have one. Alright guys, what you're going to need is a T.1, Torx or star, what do you guys want to call it? Just unscrew it. They're not torqued that hard, that much. Now I need to lift up. There should be one underneath. Peekaboo, peekaboo. I think I see you. Turning steering wheel should help you. Alright guys, I got it out. Right now I'm just going over the wiring. This switch has got one extra thing that my other one don't have. Top wire is missing one. So you have 3, 4, 5 wires inside. Only got 4 wires. And bottom wire, it's got what, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This conversion may not work. Let me do some research.